एआई सिर्फ एक नई टेक्नोलॉजी ही नहीं है, ये एक वर्ल्ड वाइड मूवमेंट बन गई है।
Aligned with the vision of Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi and under the dynamic leadership of Chief Minister Dr. Mohan Yadav, the state of Madhya Pradesh has implemented an AI-driven strategy that has successfully curbed illegal mining and transportation. This initiative was designed not only to address unlawful activities, but also to mitigate substantial revenue losses for the state. The state completed its pilot project and established a robust network of AI-enabled e-check gates and a state command control room. As of February 2026, Madhya Pradesh is fully equipped with 40 AI-powered e-check gates positioned along major procurement and transportation routes, a centralized state command control room, district command control rooms operating across 30 districts. This comprehensive infrastructure has enabled a high-tech surveillance system to effectively monitor and control illegal transport activities in real time. The AI-driven e-check gates are outfitted with RFID tag readers and automatic number plate recognition (ANPR) cameras. These tools facilitate the real-time capture of vehicle numbers and the automatic retrieval of e-transportation permit (ETP) information from the e-Khanij 2.0 system. In instances where a vehicle is detected without a valid ETP, the command center receives an immediate alert and issues a notice to the driver. Furthermore, mobile applications and handheld devices are now employed to conduct inspections. AI technology has further enhanced this process by identifying transported minerals through photographic evidence and accurately assessing their quantities. This innovative system has streamlined court proceedings associated with mining cases, allowing for the online processing of penalties. Vehicles identified as engaged in illegal transportation now face immediate registration cancellations, which has eliminated previous human resource-related complaints concerning inspections. The implementation of this AI-driven framework has enhanced both efficiency and transparency in mineral transportation across the state. Following this success, the capabilities of this system have been expanded to include applications in the police, excise, and forest departments.